Today I'm going to show you a pose breakdown of Malasana, or the Garland pose, or it's also just called a deep squat. The benefits of the Garland pose or Malasana is that it is great for stretching the knees, the hips, and the groin. It is also going to be great for your pelvic floor health and proper digestion. So if you can include this pose in your daily yoga flow, that would be awesome. So you do need 2 blocks. So grab 2 blocks. I'm going to show you a progression, the safe way to do this pose. If you have any knee, hip, or lower back injury, this is not a pose for you, so you want to avoid this pose. I am recovering from a low back injury, but I am at a point where it's been over a year now, and I am able to do this pose. I am doing it supported still. Without it being supported, it is there's some discomfort there, so you want to be careful. If you're having any discomfort in your lower back, then or your knees, use the blocks or avoid this pose altogether. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 blocks. We're going to take our feet about the mat apart. Our goal is to try to get our feet facing forward, as close to facing forward as possible. It's okay as we start for your feet to be more at that 45-degree angle. And we're going to do a squat. So we're just going to allow our hips to come down and our bottom to come down in between. We're going to rest on the 2 blocks for now as we learn this pose and as our body stretches to be able to accommodate this pose. We're going to take our elbows between our knees and we're going to push our elbows out as we are drawing our knees in. So we're going to be squeezing our thighs together as we push out. Pray your hands together, breathing into this pose. We want to do this pose 3 times. We're going to do a forward fold in between each time set that we do. You're going to hold this pose for about 5 breaths. To come out of the pose, we're just going to straighten our legs and come up. You do want to do a forward fold, which is the counterpose. Once you get 2 blocks, go ahead and go down to 1 block. Setting up the same base, we're going to come down into the pose, sitting on that block. This is going to bring you down deeper into that squat. Arms are still the same, pushing out, pulling in with the knees, holding this pose. Once you get that and it's comfortable, then go ahead and go to no block at all. Coming down into the pose. Excellent. As you continue to work on this pose, you can end up bringing your feet a little more to parallel. And that is it. Make sure you do that forward fold afterwards to release that lower back. So have a great day. See you next time. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification button.